Addition and subtraction. Hello kids. Welcome to our entertaining math lesson. Today we will learn how to add and subtract large numbers. So, let's get started. Addition of numbers having 5 digits or more without carrying. Now, we will arrange the given numbers in column form and will add from right to left. Thus, the sum is 85,465. Also, we can write it as 24,245 plus 61,220 is equal to 85,465. The blackboard showing another example. Add 5,21,322, 22,341 and 30,215. Again, we will arrange the given numbers in column form and add them from right to left as we did earlier. Thus, the sum is 5,73,878. Now kids, let us solve the next question. We will learn how to arrange numbers into columns and will find the answers step by step. Question 2. Arrange the following numbers in columns and find their sum. A. 1,23,574, 63,312, 2003. Let's arrange numbers in column form and solve it. Thus, 1,23,574 plus 63,312 plus 2003 is equal to 1,88,889. Addition of numbers having 5 digits or more with carrying. Another board illustrating the example had 24,277 and 66,846. We will organize the numbers in column format. Step 1. Sort the provided numbers into columns. Step 2. 6, 7 is equal to 13 is the sum of ones. Carry 1 to the tens column and write 3 under the ones column. Step 3. Tens are added. 147 is equal to 12. Carry 1 to the hundreds column and write 2 under the tens column. Step 4. Add hundreds and carried over tens digit. 182 is equal to 11 hundreds. Write 1 under the hundreds column and carry 1 to thousands column. Step 5. 164 is equal to 11 is the sum of the thousands and carried over hundreds digit. Carry 1 to the 10,000s column and write 1 beneath the thousands column. Step 6. Add 10,000s. 162 is equal to 9. Write 9 under 10,000s column. Thus, the sum is 91,123. Properties of addition of numbers. Order property of addition. Changing the order of the addends has no effect on the total of two numbers. This is known as the commutative property of addition on integers or the order property. Example. $15,231 plus 32,487 is equal to 32,487 plus 15,231. Grouping property of addition. Changing the grouping of 3 or more numbers has no effect on their sum. This is known as the grouping property or associative property of addition on numbers. Example. $33,425 plus 21,346 plus 15,362 is equal to 33,425 plus 21,346 plus 15,362. Additive property of 0. The sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. This is called the additive property of 0. Example. Conclusion. 0 plus 53,429 is equal to 53,429 plus 0. Word problems on addition. A library has 29,298 books in Hindi, 23,945 books in English, and 9,939 books in Urdu. How many books are there altogether in the library? Let's find its solution together. Total books in the library is equal to 63,182. Here, the greatest 6-digit number is 9,99,999. And the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. Let's add them up all now. The numbers are organized in columns on the board. Thus, the sum is 10,99,998. Great job, kids! Now you understand how to calculate the sum of the greatest numbers. Subtraction of numbers having 5 digits or more without borrowing. Thus, 52,954 minus 31,631 equals 21,323. Subtraction of numbers having 5 digits or more with borrowing. Hello children, now we will learn how to subtract large numbers with borrowing by an example. Let's begin. Example. Subtract 34,789 from 73,657 and verify the answer. Solution. Steps. Step 1. Arrange the given numbers in column form. Step 2. Subtract ones. But 9 ones cannot be subtracted from 7 ones. We borrow 1 10 from 5. Now we have 4 tens and 17 ones. 17 to 9 is equal to 8. Write 8 under the ones column. Step 3. Subtract tens. Again 8 tens cannot be subtracted from 4 tens. We borrow 100 from 6 hundreds. Now we have 5 hundreds and 14 tens. 14 to 8 is equal to 6. Write 6 under the tens column. Step 4. Subtract hundreds. But 7 hundreds cannot be subtracted from 5 hundreds. We borrow 1,000 from 3 thousands. Now we have 2 thousands and 15 hundreds. 15 to 7 is equal to 8. Write 8 under hundreds column. Step 5. Subtract thousands. But 4 thousands cannot be subtracted from 2 thousands. We borrow 1 10,000 from 7 10,000s. Now we have 12 thousands and 6 10,000s. 12 to 4 is equal to 8. Write 8 under thousands column. Step 6. Subtract 3 10,000s from 6 10,000s. Write 3 under the 10,000s column. Verification. To verify the answer, we add the difference to the subtrahend and get the minuend. Word problems on subtraction. Example. The price of a laptop is 1,86,978 and that of a computer system is 2,15,647. Which costs more and by how much? Solution. The price of a laptop is equal to 1,86,978. The price of a computer system is equal to 2,15,647. Clearly, 2,15,647 greater than 1,86,978. The computer system costs more than the laptop. Now, let's find the difference between the price of the laptop and price of a computer. We will arrange the numbers in columns. Difference in their prices is equal to 2,15,647 to 1,86,978 is equal to 28,669. Example, a company produced 3,21,546 mobile sets in 2021 and 4,22,346 mobile sets in 2022. Find the increase in production of mobile sets. Solution: the number of mobile sets produced in 2021 is equal to 3,21,546. The number of mobile sets produced in 2022 is equal to 4,22,346. Increase in production is equal to 4,22,346 minus 3,21,546. The increase in production is equal to 1,800. Addition and subtraction combined. Now, we'll learn how to combine addition and subtraction in a single problem. Let's understand it by an example. Example: find 9,13,541 minus 5,82,971 plus 3,93,911. Solution: Step 1. Add all numbers which have plus sign on their left-hand side. We also add to this sum the first number that has no sign on its left-hand side. So, we have 9,13,541 3,93,911 is equal to 1307452. Step 2. Add all numbers which have minus sign on their left-hand side. If there is only one number, we keep it as such, i.e., 582,971. Step 3. Subtract the number obtained in Step 2 from the number obtained in Step 1. Here, we have 13,07,452 to 5,82,971 is equal to 724,481. Thus, 9,13,541 minus 5,82,971 plus 3,93,911 is equal to 7,24,481.